Hello guys, we're gonna 1 year Model Y review with 18,000 miles on it. Firstly, we're gonna review our exterior side and then we're gonna go check interior. Let's go ahead and take a look. As you see, we have a 20-inch induction wheel, and just to let you know, there is absolutely no paint protection film or ceramic tint, any kind of upgrades. The only upgrades that I did that was a mud guard over there. Okay, let's go ahead and check a front bumper a little bit closer. Okay, and I see there's some scratches here. I don't know if it is a hate crime or I don't know what. Looks like somebody scratched over the keys. I'm not sure. We'll fix it later with a touch of paint though. Okay, again. And I do have a curb rash here, but it's not that bad, so I'll fix it when I get a chance. Okay, let's go ahead and check our interior. I do have a white interior. That's probably one of the reasons that I got the Tesla too. Not the only one, but it's one of the reasons too. Let's go ahead and check the driver's seat. So I have never cleaned this driver's seat. It's been more than 1 year, and this is without cleaning. So this is let's go ahead and check. So this is a headrest. Okay, I have never cleaned it with the. I've never cleaned this driver's seat before, so I see a little bit marks here. It's not that bad though. After 1 year of use, 18,000 miles on it. You can see here. And I do like the white seats. It absolutely looks like roomier inside. Okay, let's go and check the passenger side here. And this one looks absolutely clean. It needs a little bit cleaning, but it's not that bad. Okay, let's go ahead and check in here. And I installed the floor mat. It's absolutely worth it. This one is a really good brand. I bought it from the Amazon. If somebody's looking for it, just search it. This one has a grip on it too at the bottom, so it helps stay in place. And I have one in the back too, all four sides. Okay, let's go ahead and check the roof. Okay, and I do have two kids, so as you see that the foot marks, it's pretty easy to clean it. You can just use it like wipes. Check here, and I got the seat protector from Amazon. That helps a little bit, you know, less cleaning and better protect the seats. And this one is from the same brand in the front. Okay, let's go and open the trunk. Okay, so for the maintenance, I spent around $50 for tire rotation and around $20 for windshield washer fluid for 1 year and 18,000 miles on it. And the upgrades, as I said, the exterior, I just got the mud guard, and interior I did like floor mat, seat protector, and screen protector. And one upgrade I did it, that is acceleration boost, which is $2,000, and I do feel it's really worth it if you're in the market, if you want to get it. And for the charging, I charge at home. I have a Tesla home charger, so, and in California it costs us around, it depends how many miles you drive, but then I drive around 1,200 to 1,500 miles. So it's around like $80 to $90 per month extra electricity bill. So I think that's it. That's my review for Model Y, and I do really enjoy it, and I'm sure if you get it, you'll enjoy it too. Wish you best luck, and thank you. Thanks for watching.